DPF emulator installation in Isuzu VISIGO bus with a 4HK1 engine. Find the DPF filter. It will be located on the left side of the bus in the position shown in the video. Locate the plugs from the temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Connect the matching plugs from the emulator harness to the connectors you unplugged from the temperature sensors and the differential pressure sensor. Locate the airflow sensor. To access it, you need to remove the air filter. You will find it under the cover at the back of the bus. The mass airflow sensor is located in the air intake pipe. Solder the wire with no plug from the emulator harness to the middle wire from the mass airflow sensor plug. Be careful not to cut the wire. Make sure to secure the wire with electrical tape. Plug the emulator into the wiring harness.